Hey everybody, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to share your screen on Discord. So this is actually really simple. First of all, open your Discord account and you are going to be heading over to the sign in section and simply sign into your account. Type in here your details, and once you're here, now what we need to do is on our account choose our, let's just say, server or chat with whom you want to share your screen. You're going to be dialing them a call, so simply give them a call and then simply swipe up this option, and you can see we have this option to share our screen. Choose whatsoever you would like to share, and boom, that is literally it. And you can easily share anything that you like from here. So basically this covers how you can share your screen on Discord mobile. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more and see you around in the next video.